Well, you should be. We all have a reason. Because there's a debate contest in Sunshine Toastmasters. So Toastmasters, let's rise the energy levels within this room. So let's give a big round of applause for all the fellow contestants. Great. So what exactly is a debate? A debate is a formal method of interactive argument. This is the definition that I got from Wikipedia, by the way. So it's a formal method of doing it. Now, when I was told that there's a debate in Sunshine, the first thing that came to my mind is the movie, The Greatest Debaters. Now, how many of you have seen that movie? Just one person? Well, it's a movie that is worth watching. Let me just summarize it in a few sentences. It's about this black coach who guides and mentors 4 of his black students from his college, from the college where he's teaching. And he takes them to such an extent that these students then compete with Harvard University students. The story is between the black winning over the white. So these blacks are proving to the world that they are no less. And they stand at an equal level with the whites. Today's contest is no less. We don't have blacks and whites here, but we have people who want to prove to the world, to prove to Toastmasters world that they are better than the rest. So are you all ready? So what is today's topic? Women make better teachers than men. We have 7 contestants on either side, but let me make it a little more interactive. From the audience side, who was your favorite teacher and why? Sir?
Me?
Yes?
When I was 3 years old, Madam Melissa was my favorite teacher. Used to be very kind and passionate. But by the time I came to 10th class, Madam Mary Jones, in the Christian missionary school I was in, she was my favorite. Whenever she used to do a bite on the, a scolding on the cheek, I used to love because she was very angry.
Any other memories of your favorite teacher from the audience? So, the audience, you're a contestant.
Oh, yeah.
Amit, ooh, let's see.
My favorite teacher is Mrs. Meera. She was my class teacher in 6th and 10th. And as far as I can remember, she's like she's a perfect teacher because she understands each and every student of hers. She knows all the gossip, she knows what we're going through. And basically, even if someone is having a problem, she'll find out that problem and she'll help you in some way. And believe it or not, I was the worst in her subject when I came to 10th. And by the end of it, I scored the highest in her subject. And I think she's like...
The credit goes to her.
Yeah, the credit goes to her.
Sheetal had something to say.
Well, it's really weird about my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher was the scariest teacher in our whole school. Her name was Miss Padma. And she would walk into class and she would ask questions. Not just from yesterday's class, but from every single class that we had in science from the beginning of the year. And if you got the answer wrong, you had to write it 20 times. And after having 2.5 books filled with 20 times, I ended up doing really well in the subject. And I have to say that I really learned a lot about how to learn from her. And I think that's why she would be my favorite teacher.
Wow. Please give a big round of applause. So to judge this contest, today we have a person, a senior Toastmaster. He's a known face to all the Sunshiners. He's a mentor to many, a friend to all. Please put your hands together for Mr. Basu. And say a few words.
I'm excited to listen to them. I'll speak later.
Right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
The contest will be judged according to this for analysis, reasoning and evidence 50%. Rebuttal 30%. The remaining 20% goes to organization and delivery. Are there any questions? This? Judges, please note the time. The opening team, that is the 4 team, will be speaking for, the leader will be speaking for 4 minutes, followed by the leader of the against team, that is again 4 minutes. And this will be followed by the contestants, 3 minutes each. And finally, the debate will be concluded by the against team first and then the for team. So, is the order clear?
Closing will be 4 minutes again.
For 3 minutes.
The team members get 3 minutes.
3 minutes. 4, 3, and then closing again 3 for the leader.
30 seconds grace period for each.
Yeah, and also 30 seconds grace period for each of the speakers. And in case you exceed that 30 seconds, then the content, you will not be getting points for the content. So is that clear? So it's better you stick to the time limit and finish.
The issue is
Only the extended content. So the judges will not keep track of the extended content.
color cards issue.
Yeah, we have a timer who's going to show the color cards. At 3 minutes, she can show the red card. Okay, green card. 2:30 is better. Okay, you can start the green card at 2:30 and then orange at 3 and at 3:30 it will be the red card.
Why is it 3 minutes?
4 minutes.
No, we,
2, 3, 4. Excuse me. For those who are speaking, 4 minutes. At 2.5 minutes, we will show the green. At 3.5 minutes, we'll show the at 3 minutes we show the amber. 3.5 minutes we show the red till the end of the speech. For the 3 minutes, it is again 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, and 3 minutes. At 3 minutes, we show red. They have to wind up.
So the timing is also clear? Okay, now I call upon the for team, the leader, Mr. Vinod, to open the debate.
Excuse me, you need to read the names of the participants.
The for team has Mr. Vinod as the leader, followed by Vijay Lakshmi, followed by Girish, Anand, Girish, G, followed by Anand, Gurudat, Venkat, and Ajay Madan. And please note that the leader will be coming back in the end again. That will be Mr. Vinod again. On the against side, we have Mr. Vetri Selvan, Miss Asha, Alice, Chetan,
Third one. Third.
Alice.
ALICE.
Please sit according to your speaking order because this is the speaking order, right?
ALICE.
Now it's right. Okay, please note again, it's Mr. Vetri Selvan, Asha, Chetan first, and then Alice, then Ullas, Srinivas,
After Ullas?
Srinivas Raju, and Anand. This is Anand Bahirath. So there are two Anands on both sides. Anand, and then again the leader will be closing the pitch. Right.